Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I go about using these to grow these plants here. As you can see, all I use is a cut off piece of wood and a broom handle, and just get this right. Sorry about this. That's that one, yeah. Gotcha. All you need to do is get some compost like so. Get a wooden broom handle, make sure you get the flat end first. Compact it down at the bottom, like so, and you end up with a bottom like that doesn't fall out. That's what you're looking for. And then you can fill it up without having to worry about the compost falling out the bottom. Gently give it a tap down, like so. And there you go. So you don't have to put anything at the bottom at all, no sellotape, no string. That's basically how you do it. So just do another one. Just enough for about half an inch at the bottom. Give it a good compact down. This is a peat-based compost. I don't know what you'll be like with other compost, but give it a go. You might find out it works well. Fill it up. And you know to sow your seeds. So yeah, that's how I go about filling and using my toilet roll tubes to plant my seeds. And this is what I use for seeds that say direct sowing. You can sow them in here, put them outside, and then you don't get any problems at all with transplanting them. Even if you send down a taproot, you've got a good 5 inches there, well 4 or 5 inches. So you can send down a taproot all the way to the bottom there, and before you plant it out, you can put it exactly where you want. You're not stuck about positioning then. So yeah, how to fill your toilet roll tubes, how to use them to sow seeds. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you, bye.